Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. This series is based on managing users and authentication providers in the BitBlast admin dashboard. In this video, we will demonstrate how to log in with an Active Directory user account, how to access the admin dashboard, view and manage users list with filtering options, assign roles admin and standard to users, configure Active Directory as an authentication provider, log in with Active Directory user. Let's begin by logging in. Here we will enter the credentials for an Active Directory user account. So we will use administrator as username and a secure password. Click on the login with Active Directory. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the BitBlast admin dashboard. Now managing users and roles. Here in the admin dashboard, we can manage users. Click on the user creation button inside user management. This will display a list of all users. Here we can filter this list by category like AD users, local users, and all users. Notice how we can assign roles to each user. Now let's assign standard role to administrator, let us log out and log back with administrator user to whom we just assigned the standard role. As expected, administrator with the standard role can access the BitBlast user dashboard with limited functionalities. Now let's log out and again switch to the admin dashboard. Now configuring Active Directory as auth providers. Within the user management section, click on the auth provider option. This displays the available authentication providers currently including Active Directory. Clicking on the Active Directory provider opens a configuration form. Here we can integrate Active Directory user with BitBlast by filling in details such as server URI, user search base, and group search base. Here provide username and password. Once you have filled in the configuration details, click the Enable button to save the form and complete the AD user integration with BitBlast. After clicking Enable, you will be redirected to a confirmation page. Here you can disable or edit the form. It's important to note that some functionalities like user access control are still under development. Finally, back in the auth providers, you can list Active Directory users by clicking on this List of Active Directory Users button. And also you can view Active Directory groups by clicking on this Active Directory Groups button. You can also assign roles to particular groups using this Assign Roles button. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.